Hey guys, this is Lucas Yap and you're watching Chipography. Today we're going to unbox a video camcorder called Kogan HD 720p video camcorder, which costs around $46.88 or 150 ringgit Malaysia if you live in Malaysia. So from the box, we know that Kogan HD 720p video camcorder have 8.0 megapixel sensor. It can record up to 720p HD video format. It have 2.7 inch LCD, 4x zoom. It is a video camera. It can be used to take photos, and it can be used as PC camera, which is a webcam. It is powered by 3 AAA batteries. So let's continue with the unboxing of Kogan HD 720p video camcorder. So it have a very simple box. Let's see what's inside. So from the box we can see the camcorder is inside. It has a very standard boxing. So let's see the 720p HD camcorder. It has a really plasticky feel to it. And then let's take this off. We will see there is a driver's CD. I assume you can download the newest driver from www.kogan.com. I assume it, or else you need to use this. And then a warranty information, and then a user manual for your camera, and a pouch which you can use to put your camcorder in, or you can put your mobile phone or money because it feels really good. Let's see what else we got. So we got a USB 2.0 B connector. I assume it's B, either that or A, as long as it's not micro USB. And we have an AV connector. So I think that's all what we have in the box. Okay, that is all for the unboxing today. Stay tuned for the full review of this Kogan HD 720p video camcorder. Peace out.